Hello and welcome to this special broadcast of The Hindu. We are in Baramati, the fateful place where the private aircraft carrying Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar crashed today morning, leading to the death of all five persons who were on board, including him, his personal assistant. There was a lady attendant on board. There was a pilot and a co-pilot. If I can request my video journalist Emmanuel to show the crash site. We are here at the crash site, and as you can see, that is the debris of the aircraft which crashed here in Baramati. This was some time after Ajit Pawar took off from Mumbai for campaigning for the upcoming local body elections, which are going to take place in the first week of February. And I want to show you how tragic this whole thing has been. If you can see around me, there are teams of NDRF, Maharashtra Police present in large numbers, also to control the crowds because a large number of people have come to visit this crash site. Let me show you the tragedy of it all. We are right here, right behind me is the runway. Now, this is the runway where this flight was supposed to land in the morning. It missed this runway. The locals say that the flight took a roundabout around the airport for a minute and then tried to land, and that it crashed right to my right hand side. So as you can see, the distance from the runway to the crash site is not even 100 or 150 meters. The crash was so harsh. Locals say that they could hear a blast after the plane crashed, and thereafter we saw the debris. There's very little that remained off after the crash. Already an inquiry has been ordered by the DGCA, which says that it is looking into the causes that led to this crash. A team has also visited this place, even as the state government will conduct an inquiry, said Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. A state mourning of 3 days has been announced by Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis today morning. A funeral which is going to take place tomorrow morning at 11 o'clock at Vidya Pratishthan in Baramati in full state honors. Now the family members of Ajit Pawar have already come in Baramati. May it be his sons Parth Pawar, Jay Pawar, his wife Sunetra Pawar, who's a Rajya Sabha MP, Praful Patel, Sunil Tatkare, who's the party president. All of them have arrived in Baramati, is what NCP leaders say. Several leaders from across the state are also on their way to Baramati in order to pay their last respects during this tragic incident. Remember, Ajit Pawar was the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. It was the fifth time that Ajit Pawar had become the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. He had the distinction of becoming the Deputy Chief Minister for 5 times across the political spectrum of parties in the state. Maybe the Congress, maybe the BJP, maybe the Shiv Sena or Shiv Sena Congress combined. For all of them together, we have seen that Ajit Pawar has in several stints been the Deputy Chief Minister. His demise is being seen as a sad and tragic end to a political career which still looked ahead for several years, though we saw that his political stint which went on for a very long time. He was elected from Baramati for 8th time in a row, starting his political career way back in the 1990s, seeing several political transitions and being a part of several political tussles and struggles within the party and outside the party as well. The state today mourns the death of its Deputy Chief Minister.